Welcome back to West Coast Gardening. Now, the California Gardener, and I just want to give you an update. This is a 3-week update. I planted these seeds about 3 weeks ago now, and things are growing like crazy. Potatoes, I've been thinning out that volunteer kale. You can see some growing there, but we've been eating it. We've been clearing the rows out, and that's a great way to thin out your rows, is to make these delicious microgreen salads, and that's what we've been doing. You can eat almost anything when it's small. The kales are really good. Pea shoots are great. Any broccoli, cabbage, kales, I said, lettuces, beets, kohlrabies, and the turnip greens, those are all great to eat, and we've been eating all of those. See, even though I've thinned things out, they're still growing really thick, so I just keep cutting more stuff out here and there, and that's what we'll do. But you see, things are growing really nicely. Tomatoes are huge. That's why I never buy big plants, because you see, these are just small plants. Like, these are little 75-cent plants or something. They're just tiny. Well, look, they've almost caught up to the bigger ones that cost more money. It's obviously not worth spending money. I've said that before. And I reseeded this hill twice already, and only one came up, so I transplanted a couple from the lower hill. You see my grass is coming up like crazy all over the place. Greenhouse is still a work in progress, figuring out plastic to put on there. And let's see, I'll show you the lower hill now that I expanded. Put dirt down there and planted a bunch of squash. This is going to be my pumpkin hill. So you see, you got all kinds of Cinderella pumpkins coming up. Those are the big ones, and all sorts of pumpkins. I don't even know what they are. You see, I planted several seeds because they're older seeds. I wasn't sure how well they'd come up, and they came up relatively well, but you see, some didn't, so I transplanted like a Cinderella pumpkin. There's one right there. And where there's a whole bunch, I'll thin them out. I'll wait till they get a little bit bigger, send out a nice shoot, and the ones that look the healthiest I'll leave in, and I'll pull out the rest, because you really don't need that many plants, and they just don't develop right if you leave too many there. Okay, that's my update, guys. Garden's looking great. Tell me what you think. I hope you enjoyed this little snapshot video update, how the garden's growing this year. And yeah, things are getting together. I put some raspberry plants down here below the garden. Work in progress. It's getting cleaned up. Lake's low, but fish are biting. Okay, guys, see you later. Thanks for subscribing and following.